For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India registered 20,903 fresh cases in 24 hours, taking the country's tally to over 6.25 lakh. The country reported 379 deaths in the past 24 hours. With this, the death toll in the country reaches 18,213. The COVID-19 recoveries in India witnessed a huge jump, with 3,79,891 patients getting discharged so far. As per the Union Health Ministry, around 20,032 patients were declared cured of COVID-19, the highest single-day recoveries so far. As per the latest data released by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the confirmed cases in India crosses 6.25 lakh mark, while the number of people who have been discharged stands at over 3,79,891. The death toll in India rises to 18,213. Indian Council of Medical Research stated that 92,97,749 COVID-19 tests were conducted by various laboratories across the country till July 1st. It is 101st day since the lockdown was imposed in the country to curb the spread of COVID-19. India is one of the fourth worst affected COVID-19 countries in the world. States such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi and Gujarat continue to report the highest number of cases. Maharashtra reports 6,330 cases in the last 24 hours, highest for the first time since the outbreak. The Union Health Ministry has also revised the home isolation guidelines. Asymptomatic patients have been included under mild pre-symptomatic cases. Maharashtra continues to remain on the edge with over 6,000 fresh new cases reported in the last 24 hours. The state recorded 1,86,626 cases with 1,01,172 recoveries, 77,276 active cases and 8,178 deaths. Delhi, the second most hard-hit state due to COVID-19, with confirmed cases standing at 92,175, with over 2,864 people dead due to the deadly pandemic. Tamil Nadu has 98,392 cases and more than 1,321 people have lost their lives. Gujarat has over 33,913 and the deaths in the state stand at over 1,886. Last in the tally is Uttar Pradesh. The state has over 24,825 cases, while over 735 people have died due to the deadly pandemic. The recovery rate in the country stands at 60.72%. While the COVID-19 cases continue to rise across the country, the recovery rate acts as a silver lining.